Crazy Raisins. What do we need? Let's get started. Fill the glass with water. Add 2 scoops of baking soda into the water and mix them well. Break the raisins into 2 pieces each and throw them in the water. Slowly pour some vinegar into the water. Did the raisins start jumping onto the surface of the water crazily? Scientific explanation. The chemical reaction of the mix sticks to the raisins, making their density lighter than the water. When the bubbles pop onto the surface, the raisins fall down again.